Good morning, children. Today we are going to look at Module 6, Our World, and this is taken from your textbook, page 58 and 59. You can always look at your textbook if you need any reference. 同学们早，今天早上呢，我们要看课本第6课 Our World 就是世界，我们的世界。记得这是从你的课本第58以及59页。那如果你需要参考的话，你也可以翻开你的课本。Remember, it's page 58 and 59. 记得是58以及59页。Before we start our lesson, let's look at some vocabulary. Can you say with me? 请跟着老师念 Yogurt, Jam, Noodles, Soup, Cheeseburger, Crab. Very good. Now, let's look at the street food. Street 就是街边 Street food are the food sold on the street. 那 street food 就是街边的食物。Can you look at the first one? What is this little boy eating? Very good. He is eating a burger. We call it a cheeseburger. Now, please read with me. 请跟着老师念 Cheeseburgers come from the US. They are meat with cheese in bread. They are very good. Alright. Cheeseburgers come from the US. The US is the short form for United States of America. So, cheeseburgers 芝士汉堡包呢是从 the US 来的。The US 就是美国，它是简短的写法。US 原本呢它是 United States of America. They are meat with cheese in bread. Meat 就是肉，那它是肉还有芝士在面包里面。They are very good. 当然它们非常的好吃。Ask yourself, do you like to have cheeseburgers? 那同学们你们喜欢吃 cheeseburgers 吗？ I think many of you like cheeseburgers. Alright, look at the second boy. Look at this little boy. What do you think he is eating? 那我们看一看这一位男生，你觉得他在吃什么呢？ Does it look like a roti canai? 像印度煎饼吗？ Alright, it's not. Can you read with me? 请跟着老师念 Souvlaki comes from Greece. It's meat with vegetables in pita bread. Sometimes there's yogurt in it and chips too. Souvlaki. So, souvlaki is something like a wrap. You wrap the meat and vegetables with a wrapped skin. Souvlaki 呢，其实华语我们叫它羊肉卷，就是呢我们有一片的饼皮，那我们把肉和蔬菜卷在里面。Souvlaki comes from Greece. Greece 就是希腊，这个国家叫做 Greece， 希腊。 It's meat with vegetables in pita bread. 那它就是一块饼皮包着肉以及蔬菜。Sometimes there's yogurt in it. 那有时候呢，它里面也放酸奶或者是乳酪。And chips too. 那有些人也放薯片。Would you want to try a souvlaki? 那同学们，你会想要尝试 souvlaki 这个食物吗？ I never try it and I don't really know how it tastes, but I think it's a good food. 那老师也没有尝过，也不知道味道。可是你看图片中的小男孩吃得那么高兴，那我们觉得它应该是一个不错的食物。Alright, look at the third one. The boy, what is he eating? You might say curry noodles. 那有些同学你觉得他在吃咖喱面。By the way, do you like curry or chicken soup? 那你喜欢是咖喱还是清汤呢？ Alright, let's read together. Noodles come from China. You can have noodles with meat and vegetables. You can also have them in soup. They are yummy. Noodles 就是面条。Noodles come from China. 面条是源自于中国。You can have noodles with meat and vegetables. 那我们的面条可以搭配 meat 是肉，或者是 vegetables 蔬菜。面条可以配着肉或者是蔬菜吃。You can also have them in soup. 那面条也可以做成汤的，也可以做成汤面。They are yummy. Yummy means good, nice, tasty, delicious. Yummy 就是好吃的意思。Alright, do you like noodles? 你喜欢吃面吗？ The last girl. Look at this. What is this? Is this a pizza? 那这是披萨吗？ Now, please read with me. 请跟着老师念。Crabs come from France. They are like thin pancakes. French people eat crabs with cheese. There are also sweet crabs with jam or chocolate. Crabs. Many people used to say it as crepes. 那这个字呢，有很多人我们都把它念成 crepes， 没有错。But this is a French word, so we pronounce it as crabs. 那因为呢，这个字原本呢是法文，就是法国的字，所以呢，我们把它念成 crabs. Crabs come from France. 那 crabs 是从法国来的。They are like thin pancakes. 那它们其实就是一个薄薄的煎饼。French people eat crabs with cheese. 那法国人呢，他们是怎么样吃这些煎饼呢？他们是和芝士一起的吃。There are also sweet crabs. 那他们也有甜的煎饼。With jam or chocolate. 他们会把它放一些个果酱或者是巧克力酱。Okay. Look at here. We have 4 types of food. Do you know what is this? This is souvlaki. Do you remember where does souvlaki come from? Alright, let's look back. Souvlaki comes from Greece. Next, number 2. Do you know what is this? This is a crepe, a chocolate crepe. Do you remember where does it come from? It comes from France. Number 3. This is a cheeseburger. Do you remember where does a cheeseburger come from? It comes from the US. And this is a bowl of noodles. Very good. And noodles come from China. Alright. Now, you are going to complete the Google form. Please answer all the questions. And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.